One of the things I teach my student is to be able to follow recipe independent. Because once you're able to follow recipe independently, you should be able to cook a lot of the things that's readily available on the internet. With that, Ishan's actually going to make a homemade granola, and I want to show you how I always prepare parfait for the kids using our homemade granola.
Well, the top tips for following a recipe independently is, first, read the whole recipe first. Ask any questions about anything you don't understand. So I will read the homemade granola recipe at the back here. So ingredients is 1 cup old-fashioned rolled oats. Second, get out all the ingredients and organize it, and then bring it to your left. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey. Oh, okay, so left. See, notice how I'm putting it to my left? Well, cinnamon and salt. First, in a large mixing bowl, combine the oats, nuts, seeds, cinnamon, and salt. Move ingredients to the right after you finish using them. Using a rubber spatula, stir until well mixed. Step 2. Drizzle the coconut oil and maple syrup over the oat mixture. Stir well. Pour the granola into the baking sheet and spread it into an even layer. Bake until lightly golden brown. 20 to 35 minutes total.
So with the homemade granola, one of the staple breakfast items that we always make is actually the parfait. So what I have as a base is Greek yogurt, some cream, frozen blueberries, and some honey and vanilla extract. I'm just gonna mix all of this together. So the perfect timing are granola done by Ishan is here. Then we will add in raisin. So cut some fruits, whatever fruits you have in the fridge. Done.